These are the real, everyday expressions that native speakers actually use. By the end of this video, you'll be sounding so much more natural and confident when speaking Spanish. Hola amigos, welcome back to Spanish 55. I'm Ana, and if you're in your Spanish learning journey, trust me, you need these 25 phrases. And don't worry, they are not the usual ones you hear all the time. Vamos a empezar. Let's start with greetings and polite phrases. You probably know hola and ¿cómo estás? But in real life, we say things differently. For example, buenas. ¿Cómo va todo? Mucho gusto. ¿Me puede ayudar? Disculpe or perdón. By the way, if you're serious about finally getting fluent, don't do it alone. Spanish 55 offers personalized coaching that keeps you accountable and makes learning so much easier. And the best part, your first consultation is free when you use the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about phrases you need when traveling or shopping. Imagine you are in a market in Mexico or a store in Spain. This will save you. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Tiene algo más barato? Pago en efectivo or pago con tarjeta para llevar, por favor. ¿Dónde está el baño? Now, when you're at a restaurant, don't just say, quiero un café. Here's how to sound more natural. Un café, por favor. Una mesa para dos. ¿Qué me recomienda? Todo está muy rico. La cuenta, por favor. And hey, if you've ever wondered what it's really like to learn Spanish as an adult, busy schedules, struggles, everything, you need to hear Conquering Spanish. It's full of real stories from people just like you who took the leap and changed their lives with Spanish. Check it out. Links below. If you want to sound friendly and natural, use these small talk phrases. Que chévere, que padre, estoy aprendiendo español. ¿Cómo se dice en español? No entiendo ni papa. Nos vemos pronto. Finally, some important phrases for emergencies. Por si las moscas. Ayuda or auxilio. Me siento mal. Llamen a una ambulancia. Se me perdió la cartera. ¿Me puede indicar cómo llegar a? And that's it. These 25 phrases will make your Spanish sound way more natural. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to check out Sean's video on the do's and don'ts when speaking Spanish as a beginner. It's packed with tips to help you avoid common mistakes and speak like a pro. Links in the description below. Remember, learning a language is all about consistency. So keep practicing, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. See you in the next video. Ciao!